Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display sell order amount in employee form view of specific employee. So let's see. You can see here our module, their employee sell order. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to employees. Go to any employee and see here this total sell order amount. Now display here 0. But I want to see that event. Let's say. So not any created for that event. So I selected other chimney furniture and sale. So you can easily see here chimney furniture sell order total amount is display. Now click and see here customer is chimney furniture and display here total sell order amount. Thank you.